Oh!
Let's build a powerful carrier truck to move heavy items. Ready? Let's make it spin and pour concrete. Place the driver's cabin at the front. Next, the strong base to hold everything. Attach the large cargo bed for carrying items. Attach the lever and other small details. Place the fuel tank to power up the truck. Finally, let's add the mud guards to keep it clean and lights so it can work even at night. Attach the heavy-duty wheels.
Ready to take on the town!
Before we mix, the truck needs fuel. Glug, glug. Glug, glug. Fill it up. Almost done. Full tank. Awesome. The truck is good to roll.
Ready to take on the town!
Drive to the construction spot carefully. Load the big item onto the truck, nice and steady. Now lift the item and drop it right at the spot. Perfect! The truck got dusty after that job. Time for a wash? Scrub, soap, and spray water all over. Here comes the water. Splash! Now it's shiny and ready for the next job.